Algebra 2, Set 17, Practice. Okay, solve the following system. So we can solve this one by elimination. So we're going to multiply everything in the top by negative 10. So you get negative 10 n sub n minus n sub 0 equals negative 600. So we get negative 5 n sub n equals negative 290. So if we divide by negative 5, we get n sub n equals 58. Then we just take that and plug it back in. So we get 58 plus n sub d equals 60. So n sub d equals 2. I think it's actually n sub 0, but that's alright. Okay, solve the following system of equations. So we'll take r sub m and r sub w and plug those in. So we get 50 t sub m plus 70 t sub w equals 380. And then let's solve for t sub m. So t sub m is equal to 5 minus t sub w. We'll take that and plug it in for t sub m. So 50 times 5 minus t sub w plus 70 t sub w equals 380. When we multiply that out, we get 250 minus 50 t sub w plus 70 t sub w equals 380. So 250 plus 20 t sub w equals 380. When we subtract 250 from both sides, we get 20 t sub w equals 130. So t sub w equals 6.5. We can take that and plug it in. T sub m equals 5 minus 6.5, so t sub m equals negative 1.5. Okay, find x and y. So this is two variables, so we're going to need two equations. So I can see that all of these are on a straight angle. So when I add them all together, I get 180. So 2x plus 5y plus 40 plus 20x plus 5y is all going to equal 180. So when my second equation, I can see that I have vertical angles, and if you remember, vertical angles are equal. So I can say that 20x plus 5y equals 110. So we'll go about simplifying that first equation. 2x plus 20x is 22x. 5y plus 5y is 10y. And then we'll subtract 40 from both sides to get 140. From here, I can see that I have two systems, I have one system of two equations. And so I'm going to try and multiply the top by negative 2. So I get negative 40x minus 10y equals negative 220, and on the bottom I have 22x plus 10y equals 140. So when I add them together, I get negative 18x equals negative 80. So x is going to equal 80 over 18, or 40 over 9. So x equals 40 over 9. Then I'm going to take it and plug it in. So I'm going to plug it into this equation right here. So I get 20 times 40 over 9 plus 5y equals 110. I'm going to multiply everything by 9 to get rid of that denominator. So I end up with, so I end up with 800 over 9 plus 5y equals 110. Now I'll multiply everything by 9. So I get 800 plus 45y equals 990. So 45y equals 190. Y equals 190 over 45, which can reduce to 38 over 9. So my solution is x equals 40 over 9 and y equals 38 over 9.